Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today, we've got our fruit for thought, so let's get into it and check it out. If you are new to Fruit for Thought, it is a fun themed box. It's like a lifestyle box. You might get some snacking, you might get something for your kitchen or for your home, for your body. All kinds of goodies come in this. We get it monthly. I will put the information down below where you can go over and check it out with my discount code. It is always so much fun because in the beginning of the box, it was always fruit themed, but now she has expanded and does other fun themes. So we never know what it's gonna be. That's what it looks like when we open it up, all nice and rolled up and protected. This is the January theme, Trip to Italy. Doesn't that sound fun? Oh my gosh, that sounds like so much fun. I have to move some of the nice protective coating aside. First, we have a cute plate. It says a formaggio. It is by Rosanna, and ooh, it says something in script that I think might be Italian. Let's see what the paperwork says. Transform your table into a personal art museum with the antipasto sfizioso, nailed it, cheese plate, a beautiful conversation piece where original hand-painted watercolor pieces created by Italian artists reveal themselves, and then the serverware of antipasto sfiziosa. I feel like I'm doing a Harry Potter charm, sfiziosa, into art for the table. That is so cute. That would be so nice with the little bowls that we're getting from, I'm getting in one of my boxes, from Fabfitfun, that you put the balsamic in the bottom and the oil on top. Use this, do a nice layout Italian. Could be very cool. Next out, we have, oop, dropped it, Grazie. I think this is probably a card, La Famiglia Green, stationery and design. So it's a thank you note in Italian. We'll assume that it's empty on the inside and it has a nice brown envelope. That is super cute. I can totally see me using that. Next out, we have cannoli, oh my gosh, cannoli bar with authentic cannoli shells. This will be being enjoyed by my husband and myself tonight. The cannoli bar was invented to solve an age-old dilemma that Italian bakers have longed to overcome. Here at Cannoli Bar Corp, we have done just that. We have found a way for you to enjoy quality cannoli with Ariola's famous traditional cannoli shell and cannoli cream flavor. It stays crunchy and fresh and requires no refrigeration. That, oh, is that upside down? Yes, that is what that looks like. Should I try it? Try it, try it, try it, try it. Okay, stop chatting. I'll try it. Sounds delicious. We'll have just a, kind of like when we do our Kekao box. We'll just try a little bit. So when I peel back the corner, that's what it looks like. It's a nice white bar, which is, of course, my favorite of the chocolate families. I know a lot of you have very big feelings about the fact that white chocolate is not, oh, you know what? I should read the ingredients in this and make sure there aren't nuts I'm allergic to. Very big feelings about the fact that white chocolate is not real chocolate. We're good. What does that taste like? I know, your instinct is to say cannoli. My mouth is watering. Cinnamon Toast Crunch. It kind of has that cinnamony flavor. It's delicious. Absolutely delicious. Next out, we have single-use soap, 100 sheets. Well, this seems kind of perfect to stick in my bag for Disney. Look how perfect that is. Italian Vista portable single-use soap sheet pack in Sunny Citrus from Studio O. Provide a safe and convenient way to wash your hands when on the go. Keep in a box in your purse, backpack, or briefcase, or diaper bag. In a box, do you think it means this box? Because I don't generally carry a box in my purse. Yeah, I think it means this box. That is, again, what it looks like. Oh, you can smell the citrus even already. Here, let me open it. When you open it, that is what it looks like. And then here, let's see. Oh yeah, slides out super, oh, they feel cool looking. Slides out super easy. And then you just put that in your palm, get it a little wet, and it suds up. And you have all the soap you need. I will absolutely be tucking this in my purse for Disney. The timing seems like it's divine intervention. And last out we have, what is this? dried fruit mix, but it's not. It looks like it's in like a divinity or something. Soft nougat cake with dried fruits. Well, if it's only fruits, I'm okay, but that looks like it has nuts in it. Let's read about it. Delicious handmade, classic soft and chewy Italian soft mixed fruit nougat cake slice made in Italy. That looks so cool. I am not going to open it up and make the mess that that would make to taste it, but that looks very good. That was our fruit for thought for January. A nice little trip through Italy with a couple fun things to eat at this nice, what do they call it? I keep calling it divinity. They're not calling it divinity. They're calling it nougat cake slice. Is what that is. And then this nice cannoli bar, which tastes kind of like upside down. Tastes kind of like white chocolate with cannoli bits in it. The soap packets, the pretty greeting card, and the little plate. I will put all of the information down below so you can go over and check them out along with my discount code. I want to thank them for sending this over for us to show here on the channel. And I will see you all again really soon, I hope. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you know when I have more videos coming out. Take care, guys.